Dividend delay. In this video, we are going to analyze an important adjudication order passed by ROC Chennai involving True Value Homes India Private Limited. This order highlights a very common but serious compliance lapse. Delay in depositing declared dividend into separate bank account under section 123 subsection 4 of Companies Act 2013. Many companies treat this as a routine procedural step. However, as this case demonstrates, even a short delay can result in monetary penalties for both the company and the directors. Here, if you see, all the directors are penalized, companies also penalized. So watch carefully till the end because we will cover legal provisions involved, facts of the case, ROC observations, penalty computation, practical compliance lessons, and takeaways out of this video. We'll see first, try to understand the legal provision section 123, what it says. 123 subsection 4 of Companies Act 2013 clearly mandates the amount of dividend, including interim dividend, shall be deposited in a scheduled bank in a separate account within 5 days from the date of declaration. This is what the provision says. Within 5 days from the date of declaration. Key compliance requirements: once dividend is required, once the dividend is declared, separate bank account must be opened. Deposit must be made within 5 days. Applies to final and interim dividend both. It's a mandatory no relaxation provision. Failure triggers penal consequences. We have section 450. This is talks about residual penalty. Because here, why this section 450 has come? There is no specific penalties provided. Section 450 applies. As per section 450, basic penalty 10,000, continuing default 1,000 per day, maximum limit on the company 2 lakh, on officer 50,000. So this is important because 123 subsection 4 does not prescribe its own penalty. That is why here we are discussing 454 through 450 adjudication and adjudicating officer under section 454 pursuant to MCA notification. So here adjudication mechanism under section 454. This enables issue of show cause notice, hearing, penalty order, appeal mechanism. This is the power of section 454. Company, here we'll see the company background. The company name is True Value Homes India Private Limited, ROC Chennai. It comes under, this is a company name. And here registered office, Raja Annamalapuram, Chennai. So ROC Chennai. Here officers in default, 3 individuals covered. Here the names are given in the order. Facts of the case is actually the dividend declared on 1st October 2024. If you go to facts of the case, the dividend declared on 1st August 2024 and the due date for deposit 5th August 2024, but annual actual deposit done on 3rd September 2024. So this is what they exactly actually deposited. So delay is 28 days. The company did not open separate dividend account within time and could not deposit the amount in time. Later filed suo motu adjudication application. This is a very important compliance behavior, voluntary reporting. This company filed suo motu application. Then proceedings before ROC. The company filed GNL1E form and then physical suo motu adjudication application under section 454. Then so cause notice issued by ROC on 29th December 2025 for violation of section 450. For violation under section 450. Common reply: company submitted, delay was not intentional, account could not be opened in time, requested lenient review. Then e-hearing notice given, hearing date 19th September, 19th February 2026. Then PCS appeared and requested lesser penalty. So ROC observed dividend declared on 1st August to then deposit required by 5th August to 2024 because within 5 days has to be deposited. But here actual deposit on 3rd September. So delay clearly established 28 days. This is a violation of 123 subsection 4. Therefore, penalty under 450 was attracted. So if you see the penalty imposed on the company based on the number of days on the company 38 days, on each director 38,000, 38,000, 38,000, on the company 38,000. So important observation is no additional per day penalty applied, possibly due to voluntary compliance within statutory maximum limits. ROC directions order mandates penalty to be paid within 90 days through MCA e-adjudication portal. Officer must pay from their personal funds. Right to appeal is there. Appeal can be filed before RD within 60 days in form ADJ with certified copy of the order. Non-payment consequences as per section 454 subsection 8, if it is not paid within time, penalty not paid within time, then penal consequences are there. So this is the critical compliance lessons. Dividend compliance is a time sensitive. Many companies think dividend formalities are just routine, but remember declaration triggers strict statutory clock. Separate bank account is a mandatory. It is not an option. Even if funds are available, dividend is eventually paid. Delay still constitutes violation. Suo motu application helps but does not eliminate penalty. Voluntary disclosure may reduce litigation, so bona fide and possibly reduce quantum, but penalty may still be imposed. Another thing here is the director's personal exposure, very important for board directors, board members. ROC clearly directed penalty imposed upon officer shall be paid from the personal sources. This means not reimbursable from the company, personal financial liability and governance risk. So small delay, real consequences. Delay of 28 days, yet company penalized, directors penalized, adjudication proceedings initiated, compliance, culture matters. So the company and the compliance professionals implement before dividend declaration, pre-open dividend bank account. Open dividend bank account, keep board note ready, verify banking arrangements. Immediately after declaration, trigger compliance checklist, transfer funds same day if possible, maintain audit trail. And post compliance, preserve bank proof, update statutory registers, monitor unpaid dividend timelines. This is what the penalty for non-compliance of section 123 subsection 4. Hope you are clear. We have two channels, RR Corporates and other channel, RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you.